The Xfinity app frequently asking for password resets stems from enhanced security measures implemented after data breaches in 2023 and 2024. These include mandatory two-factor authentication and frequent password validation checks. The app uses AI-driven anomaly detection that flags unusual login attempts, such as different devices or locations, account integrity issues like weak passwords, or app-specific problems like cache corruption or outdated software. These security flags trigger the password reset prompt to protect your account. About 15 to 20% of Xfinity users experience this, especially after app updates. To fix persistent password reset requests in the Xfinity app, start by clearing the app's cache. This removes temporary data that may trigger security flags. Next, ensure the app is updated to the latest version through your App Store, whether iOS or Android. Updates include fixes for security issues and reduce false flags. If issues persist, reset your password through the Xfinity website. Create a strong, unique password to minimize future resets. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This provides an extra layer beyond passwords to protect your account. Weak passwords, shared accounts, or malware can worsen the problem. If issues continue after these steps, contact Xfinity support for assistance. Experts recommend using a password manager like LastPass to manage strong passwords and reduce fatigue. Comcast is working on reducing false positives, with improvements expected in early 2026.